Hello, welcome to Vanilla & Co, where Vanilla and I, Amy, share all things home and garden with you. So we have a busy day ahead of us, but first I wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, some of my close personal friends and family, and some of you who I don't know. I really appreciate you all. I hope that you guys enjoy the content. If there's anything you guys want to see, you guys can place it down in the comments below. But anyway, we have a busy day ahead of us, which includes just putting my house back together. Even though I took some days off of Vlogmas, I really just needed to recover, so I wasn't doing much of anything. And now my house is a mess, and that's okay. It happens to all of us, to the best of us, and I am definitely not the best of us. Okay, let's clean up a little bit, get our coffee in us.
Okay, so I know that intro ended a little bit abruptly, but we're gonna go ahead and get started with our coffee. So I really like this New Mexican coffee because they roast it in pine nuts, or piñon as it's more commonly known in New Mexico. And this one in particular is extra special because it's bizcochito flavored. Bizcochitos are a New Mexican holiday cookie that I will be showing on this channel. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, so the pine nut coffee really makes it feel warm, and obviously it has like a little bit of a nutty flavor, a little bit of sweetness, and then because it's bizcochito flavored, it also has a cinnamon essence to it. I love just starting my day off with coffee. I don't add sugar to it, and that's my own personal preference. But even just a touch of sugar and maybe like a little dash of cinnamon, if you really want that punch of cinnamon in there, makes it so good. I'm sorry for the horrible frothiness of this milk, but I was also holding a camera in one hand. Here I was just attempting to make a cute little design, which I can't do with two hands. Definitely was not going to happen with one. So just a foamy top. It was so good. And, you know, I was gonna show the clean house, but I only got like half of it done, and that's okay. And then we went on to dinner. We had a pretty busy Saturday. We also got to pick up a treadmill off Facebook Marketplace because, you know, the first thing I want to do when I get home and I haven't seen my dog and my husband all day is leave again to go to the gym. No, that's not what I want to do. So my husband got me a treadmill for Christmas, and yeah, we're making dinner now. I just worked with whatever I had in the fridge. For proteins, I had chorizo and beef franks, and so I added onion and garlic with it, of course some salt, and added it to a pasta, and it was so good. It's so easy to make because the chorizo already comes with the different seasonings within the sausage, and then of course I just made a side of vegetables. This is a really easy, quick meal to make.
I'm doing like a wall sit against the cabinets. But anyway, this is our dinner for tonight. I hope my husband likes it. I guess it's kind of like a spaghetti because it doesn't have cheese. He's kind of making like a pasta or whatever. Vanilla definitely wants some. Okay, also a quick note. I'm aware I didn't use the right knives or the right spatulas, but I'm at home and I can use whatever I want. And you can use whatever you want. So just do it. It's fun. And you don't have to think about it. Good morning. This is the second part of the video for you, but it is weekend 2 for us. We just left our tree undecorated. It lights up and it has pine cones, so it doesn't look totally empty, But I'm gonna finish decorating it now, and then we're gonna do our little reveal. So, good morning! So here are all our ornaments. I'm definitely a big believer in having a tree that looks beautiful but also shares a little bit of your personality. A tree that's purely aesthetic is not as fun, and then a tree that's just too fun may just not be your cup of tea. It's not necessarily my cup of tea. Like, I don't want a bunch of just like random ornaments. I want it to have some kind of cohesiveness. So these are, I'll share a little bit of these as I'm putting them up. They all are meaningful to us in one way or another. We have some snowflakes. I think I got these at Target last year. I actually haven't bought any ornaments this year except for the one with the little picture frame from Target. I love Rapunzel. I don't know, I love her, so I have a Rapunzel one. We always buy these after the fact, after Christmas, and then we just use them the next year. So we don't ever pay full price for these Hallmark ones. They're super beautiful, but they're expensive. So I always wait until after Christmas. The only downfall with that is that you may not get what you want because obviously there's less inventory. But anyway, we'll continue. Then Charlie Brown. Oh, Olaf. My husband and I, when we were dating, went to go watch Frozen together. Elsa and Anna. This one we got on our honeymoon. It was COVID, so we only went to Florida. We made sure to get some matching pair. A little graduation cap, because I graduated with my master's finally in 2021. So some commemorative stuff in here for my husband. And a World's Best Boss mug for The Office, of course. That was a show that my husband and I really bonded over when we were first getting to know each other. And we're both unhealthily obsessed. I do want to share these really fast. These are my nice ornament, my quote-unquote nice ornaments. I actually got these at Opportunity Village in Las Vegas. If you live in or near the area, I would definitely recommend stopping by. They have a beautiful lights display that you can walk around, and it's for charity, so you're also helping a good cause. So we're finally getting to decorate our tree. We've had this up for a week now, but honestly with the pine cones, it looks pretty full already with the lights on. And here my husband and I are putting our anniversary ornaments up. Here's the tree skirt that we're gonna use. I got it at TJ Maxx. It has a beautiful poinsettia pattern, and it's just a cream color with gold stitching. I got this at TJ Maxx to add a wreath to our fireplace, greenery. I hope you've all enjoyed setting this up with me. I definitely have enjoyed having it in my home. And as always, I hope you are all doing well. Merry Christmas and God bless. Ay, qué amor, ya me estaba esperando, ¿verdad que sí?